Welcome to the village of Valbonne.
वो स्टार्ट हो गई।
हाँ आ जा।
इंटेंस म्यूजिक बज रहा है बीच Close your eyes. Hug it.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to a new vlog. We are in the south of France. Basically after Cannes Film Festival, which was the last vlog that you guys saw, which was crazy. And I'm just gonna take you through the day. हमने एक Airbnb लिया है for like the last 1 week, so I'll give you a tour as well. And we've just been here. House AD. Firstly, this is like a loft apartment. This is one of the nicest Airbnbs that Bharat and I have ever stayed in. So यहाँ से we come in and just like Bharat like show the floor. This is like, I want our future house to look like this. These like amazing walls. And if you turn around, like even just small stuff like this, aesthetic is crazy. मेरे को तो ले रहा है ना, मेरे को तो नहीं काटना as usual. And look at these like wall hanging and stuff. So when we come here, we come into the most beautiful living room ever. Like just look at this aesthetic. It's so good. And यहाँ से view है. लेके जाऊँ मैं इनको. Check it. From here, we show this side. This is the TV. Very very nice TV. Post Cannes हमने literally बस chill करा. तो हम यहाँ बैठ के Vampire Diaries देख रहे थे पिछले 2 दिन से. मैं भरत को दिखा रही थी. And Bharat loves Damon now. He's on the Damon train. I'm definitely taking inspiration for our future house. This plant, the mirror, aesthetic is so good. फिर यहाँ से हम इधर आएंगे. This is the little like table. They gave us like wine and stuff also. Look at this kitchen. It's so nice. And we haven't cooked here yet, but हम लोग काफी like बाहर take away खाना करके लेके आए थे. And we got Indian food 2 times. There's an Indian restaurant right here, and we got Indian food 2 times. And we were just thinking कि we kind of get it. जब parents को Indian food खाना होता है, we get it. We become those type of people, I guess. Now this is like a little section. This is my spot. Like मैं जहाँ जाती हूँ, I find my spot. I really like this little corner. So I've done all my meditations here. And यहाँ पे I've been just doing my work, editing. Okay, welcome to the bedroom. Room is also so nice. Just absorb this. There's another TV here and this dresser. So we put all our stuff here. A nice thing about doing a trip like this is that we unpacked. Why are you not taking me in a frame, bhai? Video meri hai. So a nice thing about doing a trip like this is that it's nice to just like unpack all your clothes. So we unpack everything. We put everything in the drawers. Again, a very cute view. Dude, this bathroom though. These tiles though. So good. This just everything about this is so good. So we have our sides. That's Bharat's side. It's my side. And I have all my makeup.
Look at my side.
I'm not a messy person. Like, I'm really not a messy person.
No. Take 2. Look at this. That's my side.
And all my makeup is over here.
And look at my side.
Right,
And look at that side.
Just look at the shower, like the tiles. So nice. So every time you have to use this, you have to shut the curtain. And this is the cupboard. Like I said, like unpacking is just so nice. सब कुछ यहाँ पे set कर दिया है. Bharat's side, my side, all of my stuff. By the way, random thing, I got this belt recently and I'm just obsessed with this belt. So यहाँ पे there's another little section and then the toilet is here. That's the one thing that's a little weird about this. But yeah, that's it guys. We've kind of explored everything here अभी 2-3 दिन में तो. We're gonna go to a cafe. The cafe green करके which we haven't gone to yet. So
Little green cafe.
Little green cafe. So that's why we'll go to it. Agence. Olivier. Agence de l'Olivier. Super. just beautiful day, beautiful place.
What a beautiful garden, auntie.
What a beautiful garden, auntie.
ये Indian restaurant.
बहुत अच्छा weather है, कोई ठंड हो गया.
Coffee time.
The weather, like Indians are not used to checking the weather, but यहाँ पर you have to check the weather.
Excuse
इंडिया
me.
में कोई check थोड़ी करता है weather.
मैं literally हर रोज चेक करता
वो
हूँ.
बाहर आया बहुत टाइम में, कोई ऐसे check थोड़ी करता है weather. So pretty.
Yeah, it's a cute little street.
Look at the sky.
But this is one of the nicest places
Seriously,
I've
I'm
been
actually kind of sad to
to leave.
leave, and also it should stay as quiet as it is. Look at this. कल मैंने
You're sad
उस
to
दिन मैंने
market it.
देखो बालबॉन थी.
Close your eyes. Hug it.
Something with cats here. Like this is probably the 20th cat we have seen.
It's probably the third, but we've seen it 20 times. Oh my god. ये तो Siamese cat लग रहा है.
ये ना यहाँ पे ऐसे like Hogwarts, Diagon Alley type feel है.
I think that's just a painting in the middle of the road.
In a video, I think it will seem like yeah, it's a video, so of course nice things will be there, but like this is kind of
I think it looks better in real life than on video, to be honest.
oh, this is like
Oh, it's a gallery or something.
So nice. It's legit, like wow. Wow, the skies are so amazing. Hey, my matcha is here.
Intense music बोल रहा है.
Okay, we have left now, but we are on our way to a little village called Fjord. Basically, we're like Mama Villa in these days. हम लोग अपना काम कर रहे हैं, like घर को मैं मेरे करना है, like doing all the time work. But then we're trying to like go here and there to explore and just look around. So it's like a 20-minute bus ride. We're in the bus from our village, and we'll see what this place is like. Okay, we made it to Fjord. Thoughts on this place बहुत ही cute है, very cute, but we're kind of used to जहाँ हम रह रहे हैं. And Bharat and I have a bad habit of being lazy and going back and watching TV shows, so we're pushing ourselves to not do that. ये cute है store. बहुत ही cute bag है यार, ये बहुत ही cute bag है यार, मैं सोच रही हूँ ले लूँ.
कितने का है?
1.9. साल का bag है. Maybe.
अच्छा.
We just walked around and we made it to this place, like amphitheater type of place. Dude, this reminds me of Dil Dhadakne mein एक scene है ना, उस amphitheater में. Yeah, this reminds me of that place. Yeah. Embarrassing behavior. we just wanna go back and sit and watch Vampire Diaries and eat. यहाँ पर ये है ना कि cabs are very expensive and bus का timing है. परेशान लग रहा है.
25 यूरो की क्या?
यही बैठते हैं यार. Let's just think about life.
Is 25 euros worth
No.
not waiting for 35
No.
minutes? Wait this minute. Time is money, my friend.
Guys, guess what? We came back home, ordered Indian food, prawn curry, और अभी भरत वहाँ से पालक पनीर निकाला है. And guess what we're watching? I mean, but this is like the best kind of scene ever. My food, we have palak paneer, and because this is the third time we went to the same Indian restaurant, this time it's free cheesy bhi di di. So guys, this is it. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one, and bye from France.